Imagine a world where owning an electric vehicle, EV, is a dream, but a home charger is a luxury not everyone can afford. This is the reality for many, and it's a topic that sparks intense debate among EV enthusiasts and advocates. Enter James, a data-driven EV driver from the UK, who decided to put this very question to the test. With no off-street parking, James relied solely on public charging infrastructure for his Polestar 2. Over a year, he clocked an impressive 8,956 miles, but at what cost? In a viral TikTok clip, James shared his journey, revealing a charging bill of over £1,000. That's roughly 13 pence per mile, which, on the surface, might not seem too bad. But here's where it gets controversial. When compared to home charging, the costs can be significantly higher. According to experts, rapid DC charging can cost around £74 per kilowatt-hour, while off-peak home charging is much cheaper, ranging from £29 to £35 per kilowatt-hour. This means those with home chargers can cut their costs by more than half. So James's experience highlights a crucial point. Public charging, while convenient, can be financially inefficient for those without other options. And this is the part most people miss. The cost gap can be substantial, especially for luxury or high-performance EVs like the Polestar 2. With its powerful engine and premium price tag, the financial burden of public charging can add up over time. The post quickly became a hot topic, with thousands of views and a lively debate. Some argued that a hybrid vehicle with high fuel efficiency could offer similar mileage at a fraction of the cost. Others pointed out the maintenance savings and unique efficiencies of EVs, which can offset higher fueling costs. But not everyone was convinced. Many commented on the reliability issues with public chargers, long wait times, and reduced range in cold weather. It's a common concern, and one that aligns with recent UK studies. A significant number of EV drivers have encountered broken or unavailable chargers, and cost inconsistency is a major pain point. What James's video truly reveals is a growing divide among EV owners. Those with driveways and smart home chargers enjoy the benefits of low-cost, seamless charging and reduced range anxiety. However, for renters or those in multi-unit housing, especially in urban areas, public charging is often the only option, and it comes with its own set of challenges. Multiple UK watchdogs have raised concerns about this infrastructure gap. Reports warn that without significant investment in on-street and community chargers, many urban residents will be left behind in the EV transition. While government funds aim to address this, the rollout has been uneven, and experts argue it's not happening fast enough to meet 2030 EV adoption targets. Even among advocates, it's acknowledged that public charging as the primary method has limitations. DC fast charging can degrade battery health over time, and prices vary across networks, adding another layer of complexity. So, is £1,200 over 12 months for an EV like the Polestar 2 unreasonable? Well, when compared to the average annual fuel cost for UK gas-powered vehicles, which can range from £1,051 to £1,435, James's EV cost is competitive, especially for high-performance cars like the Mercedes-AMG C43, where fuel costs can exceed £1,800 per year. James's story highlights the challenges and opportunities of EV ownership. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, and it's one that continues to spark passionate debates among EV enthusiasts. So, what do you think? Is public charging a viable option, or do we need more investment in infrastructure to make EVs accessible to all? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.